Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F5 error code on your Whirlpool washer and wondering what on earth it means, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll dive into the details, explore the common causes, and walk you through simple solutions to get your washer up and running again. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is the F5 error code? In Whirlpool washers, the F5 error typically indicates a problem with the door lock mechanism or the water level detection system. It means your washer thinks the door isn't securely locked or that there's an issue with how it's sensing the water inside. This is a safety feature to prevent accidents, but it can be a real headache when it halts your laundry day. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons for this error include a faulty door lock switch, which might be worn out or jammed, debris or lint buildup around the door seal, wiring issues that disrupt the electrical connection, or problems with the water pressure valve, like low water flow. Sometimes, it's as simple as the door not closing properly due to an overloaded drum or a misaligned latch. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your washer for about a minute to reset it. This clears temporary glitches. Next, check the door for any obstructions, make sure it's clean and closes firmly. If that doesn't work, inspect the door lock assembly for any visible damage and gently clean it with a soft cloth. You might need to test the switch with a multimeter if you're comfortable with basic tools. For water-related issues, verify your home's water pressure and ensure the inlet hoses aren't kinked or blocked. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it could be time to call a professional technician to replace faulty parts. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never force the door open or bypass error codes, as that could lead to bigger issues. By following these steps, you'll likely fix the F5 error and save yourself a service call. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Happy washing!